welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my favorite Dollar Tree products that I use to organize my home. Alright, now before we get into all of the items that I'm going to share with you guys today, I wanted to say thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy videos like this or on organizing or any kind of videos like that, then make sure to give it a thumbs up so I know you want to see those types of videos on my channel. And if you are new, then welcome. I hope you'll click that subscribe button, check out some of my other videos, and join us here and say hey in the comments. Let me know where you're from so I can get to know you guys better. Also, I want to say a quick shout out to Top Cashback. Thank you for sponsoring today's video, and let's go ahead and jump into it. Now, I know that organizing can get expensive, so I try to use as many Dollar Tree products as I can just to try to keep the cost down whenever I am reorganizing a space or making over a space. Dollar Tree actually has a lot of really good items that are good quality. Now, the only downside to using the Dollar Tree when you're organizing a space or doing any kind of makeover is that a lot of times when people share their favorite things that they've used on YouTube or somewhere else, then I'll go to the Dollar Tree and I won't be able to find that item. Like, they won't have that specific item or they won't have the color that I want. So when that happens, I'll just go online to the Dollar Tree website and I'll actually shop online versus shopping in the store. Now, before I actually go to the Dollar Tree website, I'll actually go to the Top Cashback website first to make sure that I save as much money as possible when I get ready to order. Basically, Top Cashback is like a landing page. You just go to their website, and then whenever you get ready to shop from some other online retailer, you go to that retailer's site through their website, and then they give you cash back on your purchases. So anytime that you make an online purchase and you just go through their website first, then you're gonna get cash back. It's so simple. So I'll go to topcashback.com, type in the store, and start shopping. Once I've checked out on the website, Top Cashback will give me cash back off of that purchase. So as you can see, I'm doing the Dollar Tree today, but Top Cashback has over 4,000 retailers and offer 100% of commissions back to their members, which allows them to offer higher cashback rates than any of their competitors. And I've actually researched this, they do have the highest rates. There's no minimum for payout, and you also get a $10 Top Cashback sign-up bonus when you complete your first purchase of $25 or more. So if you plan on shopping online anyways, why not earn some cash back by clicking through Top Cashback website first? It's just easy money. Now, I'm gonna leave a link down in my description box. Go click that link and sign up for Top Cashback, and then once you make your first $25 purchase or more after going through their website first, you're gonna get $10 cash back automatically for that sign-up bonus, and then you're also going to get whatever percentage back, cash back that you got from that retailer. Now, I know that I shop on Amazon, Target, Walmart. I shop online all the time, so this is awesome for me. Christmas will be coming up soon, so I don't know if you'll be purchasing any Christmas gifts, but this is such a great way to save a little bit of extra money and get some of that cash back without doing anything extra. Y'all let me know in the comments what your favorite retailers are to shop at online, because like I said, I always shop online. I just love to do it. It's probably not a good thing, but I would rather shop online than in stores, honestly. All right, let's get back to the Dollar Tree organization products that I love. Some of my absolute favorite products to organize with from the Dollar Tree are these acrylic bins that they have. They have all different types of these. They have rectangular shaped ones like this one, which is perfect for in your drawer, organizing tons of different products. Then they have this one that has the 3 little sections, and this one's open on the top. And then they also have one that has 3 sections but has a little top that you can put on it, which is great for if you're like traveling or you need to make sure that you're not getting dust into something, so for jewelry, something like that. And they also have these little acrylic organizers, which is perfect for your nail polishes. Now, if you have seen some of my decluttering videos, then you've actually seen me use these in lots of different ways throughout my house. So I'm just going to show you a few of the quick ways that I'm using these. The first way, as you can see, is super easy to organize your makeup and any other products that you keep in your bathroom drawers. I absolutely love the way this acrylic looks in the bathroom drawers. I feel like it's just so pretty. I can see all of my products, and it makes it super simple for when I'm getting ready in the mornings. Here I'm using the acrylic container that has the 3 separate sections, and I'm just putting in my bobby pins, hair clips, and then hair ties. And then if I ever want to take them with me, I can just take the top of the container and put it on top and take it with me in my tote bag. And like I said earlier, you could also use this for jewelry or tons of different ways around your house. Next, in the bathroom, I used this nail polish holder, and although I don't paint my own fingernails, I do paint Gracie June's because she loves to have her fingernails painted, so I only kept enough fingernail polish to go in this little container, and she gets to pick from these whenever we are painting her nails. Here is where I reorganized my junk drawer in my laundry room a little while back, and I used all of the same acrylic containers here. I used the big rectangular ones, the ones with 3 sections, and then I also used a little plastic cap organizer, which I'll show you in just a second. Now, the only thing that I would suggest doing differently here is putting down some of the non-slick shelf liners, which they also sell at the Dollar Tree, so that way the acrylic containers don't slide around in the drawers. Now, this is another little container that I got from the Dollar Tree, and it's plastic. It has a snap lid, which is perfect for when you want to keep things contained. We have batteries in here, but you could also use this for so many different ways. And one of the ways that I saw that I thought was really neat was like a travel first aid kit, or put your crayons in it to travel. Any kind of like car organization would be great for this too. Another product that I really love to organize with in the drawers are these little containers. They are plastic, they have rubber on the inside, and then they have these rubber little pieces on the bottom to keep them from slipping around in the drawers. I actually could have used these in my laundry room utility drawer as well, but I found these after the fact, so I ended up going with the acrylic. But as you can see here, they have lots of different sizes. They even have some that are smaller than these, and they come in black and white. Now, we have used these to organize the drawers in both our desk as well as Kaysen's desk drawer, but you could literally use these for tons of different items around your house. You could use them in your bathrooms to hold your toothbrushes and toothpaste. You could use them in the kitchen to hold snacks or utensils or condiments, all kinds of different things. So just imagine any drawer that could be organized. It could be organized with these for sure. Another item from the Dollar Tree that we love to organize with are the bins, and they have tons of different styles and sizes, so you can organize all kinds of different things around your house with these. And I actually recently did a Dollar Tree pantry makeover video, which I'll link to in the cards and in the description box in case you want to watch that. These bins also come in lots of different colors, and I did see that they actually have all of their fall colors out right now. And I know that a lot of people told me they had a really hard time finding this particular bin here in the white color at their Dollar Tree, and I have not seen the white at the Dollar Tree recently, but I did check the website and it looks like they have it available online. The white is actually my favorite to organize with just because I love the way it looks, but I did see that they also have gray and navy blue available, and then tons of other colors too, but like I said, white is my favorite. I also shared this in another video, but I found these little baskets that have the holes in them, which means it's perfect for hanging on a command hook, and so I used it underneath my sink to put my sponge and all my other kitchen like sink things, and it's so great because now I don't have to have anything sitting on top of my sink. I even got the command hooks from the Dollar Tree too. The next thing I wanted to share with you is this rack, which I've been using in my kitchen cabinets to house my pot lids as well as cookie sheets and muffin pans. And this makes it so nice because the pots and pans and things like that are not just stacked on top of each other, and I can reach right in and grab one or put it away super fast. The next item is this laundry basket, which I use for dirty laundry as well as clean laundry. These laundry baskets are the perfect size for both of my kids' rooms. These would also be great for if you were putting one in the laundry room and wanted to put like dirty rags all in one basket. These would be great for that. Now, if you haven't seen my laundry routine video, I will link that here in the cards if you want to go check it out. I've also shared in recent videos that my kids started folding their laundry during the summer. That was one of their chores that they got. And so what I'll do is when I'm actually doing laundry that day, I'll sort them out and then take the baskets upstairs and they'll fold their laundry with me or by themselves at night. One last item that I wanted to share are the mason jars. I feel like you could use these in so many different ways around your house. I'm using it here to hold my Q-tips, and we just put this in our bathroom, but you could definitely use this in the kitchen to store like sugar, flour, supplies. You could put cotton balls in them, all kinds of different ways. We also use these mason jars in our kids' rooms for their Tide, Spend, and Save jars, and I just put a little bit of vinyl on them for the stickers, which you could also purchase on Etsy, but I love the way that these look and they are super functional. Alright y'all, so those were all of my favorite Dollar Tree products that I wanted to share with you guys for organizing your home. I hope this video was so helpful and you got some new ideas for organizing some spaces in your house. Now, I do have other ideas for Dollar Tree videos, not just organizing, but also like cleaning and cooking, things like that. So if you would like to see some of those videos, definitely let me know in the comments below. Now, don't forget to go use my link down in the description box to take advantage of the $10 sign-up bonus that Top Cashback is giving you guys just for going through their website to shop online like you already do anyways. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and say hey in the comments below. Let me know where you're from and give this video a huge thumbs up if you do shop at the Dollar Tree. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. Let me know. And I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all!